we're gonna be learning how to cook scrambled eggs. Scrambled eggs. Scrambled eggs. Scrambled eggs. Scrambled eggs. Scrambled eggs. First thing we need is the ingredients and the tools. Herramienta y los ingredientes. Eggs, huevo, tocineta, bacon, jamón, ham, and cheese, queso. Spatula, cortador, cutting board. Bowl, recipiente, tenedor, fork. Oh my God, I almost forgot. Sartén, pan. And the special ingredients, oil, aceite. This part only do it with mama or papa. Papi, turn on the stove.
Medium?
Medium. Ooh, it's getting hot. My favorite part, cracking the eggs, rompiendo los huevos. Ooh. This is gonna be a little messy, but you have to do it if you want to. Now we stir. Ahora lo batimos.
Vamos allá.
Right there. Where do I put it, Daddy?
Right there, right there, right there.
Okay. Get off of this. You definitely need your parents. Cutting the ham and the bacon. This is the way you know that the pan is hot. It's hot.
What is the first thing we put in the pan?
The bacon, because it takes longer.
Okay.
And wait until it's nice and crispy. There we go. A little bit of cheese. Cheese, cheese, cheese. Now we pour the eggs. Watch out. For scrambled egg, you just keep moving, 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 just keep moving.
That looks very nice.
Thanks. Yeah. Now we are done. Now we enjoy our breakfast. So good. Follow us at Ozzy's Adventure!